Hi sir, good day. Today I'm going to share the overview of my topic, the assigned topic, which is all about transport systems. But before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Carl Marx Henrich T. Satore from BSCA 20A Regular. Now, transport systems refers to the systems for moving materials or carriages, especially when it talks about the transportation of individual items that is being delivered or transported to a certain place. So, there are two different categories of transport systems, namely the conveyor and the transporter. First, the conveyor. Conveyors has a great performance when it comes to transportation because they can be stationary and can run continuously. And they can also create a continuous or a nearly continuous transportation flow. And they are easily automatable and manageable. Second is transporter. So, transporter, on the other hand, can approach any place along in a line, and whether it can be in a region or any place, and many more. They are much suited for providing a variety of drop-off and pick-up locations or pick-up points, moving a huge amount of weighted cargoes and traveling long distances. However, there is a drawback. Due to their versatility for their type of transportation, transporter, this type of transport system requires more control and automation. So as you can see, the two has its own advantages and disadvantages. So that's my topic. That's basically all about my topic, which is transport system and its different segments, which are the conveyor and transporter. And yeah, that's it. And thank you for listening.
Good day sir, I'm Tolo Darryl. Today sir, mag-explain ko sa akong topic which is roller conveyors. So roller conveyors moves the goods over stationary turnable rollers. The dissipative motion resistance is reduced to the bearing friction in the roll and the pressing of goods while it passes the rolls, thus less energy is used for the transport of piece goods. Goods are moved manually on inclined rollers, conveyors by gravity and by different motor drives. Heavy goods about 1 ton are driven with chains, while goods 100 kg are mainly driven with driving belts which are pressed to the bottom side of the rolls. In addition to steel rolls, are more and more plastic rolls are used. So kani siyang conveyors naka-design for carrying package or bulk material from one place to another place. And usa sa purpose aning sa conveyor is ma-move ang mga heavy or bulky na goods and para madali sad ang pag-transport sa mga items. So to be transported by roller conveyors, the bottom of the goods has to be flat, sufficiently stable. The distance of the rolls has a considerable influence on the quality of the movement. The greater the distance, the higher the vibration, and thus the higher the strain on the goods. When the roll shapes the goods, this results in a slip according to the characteristics of the good to be transported. So kani conveyor kay nako na kini siya impact sa atong pag process atong mga goods and mga background sir kay dili na kay siya hassle kay mag-agi na lang siya og machine ba, dili na nato i hand to hand carry and madala na sa nato ang mga pugat, mga heavy nga bulk. Marat sir, thank you.
Topic number 4, warehousing and conveying principles. Figure 4.11, roller conveyor. In the end, let the rolls are tilted to adjust the goods as shown on the right side of the picture. The goods on the conveyor line cannot be determined in automatic plans. It has to be recorded at certain points by sensor, light switches. When constructed accordingly, these systems can also be used as buffers, since the compression on the goods on the front increase when several goods are accumulated on a driven conveyor line. The waiting rolls have to be deactivated when the accumulation has reached a certain length. Those types used for this purpose are called accumulating roller conveyors. Owing to its simple construction, roller conveyors often are a good alternative to simple transport tasks, but they are very noisy when the goods hit the road, depending on the piece good as well as the visual and the bearing on the road. Belt conveyors. The term belt conveyors is a general term of conveyors with a continuously driven element. The most commonly used the belt conveyor is a so-called conveying belt. With a belt wide enough to completely take up the goods to be convey rolls and tray are mounted below to the belt. To the weight of the belt, the goods to the convey should be meet the following requirements. Warehousing and conveying are two critical aspects of logistics and supply chain management. Warehousing referring to the storage of goods, while conveying refers to the movement of goods from one location to another. In order to effectively manage this operation, there are several principles that should be followed. Number 1, optimize space utilization. One of the primary goals of warehousing is to maximize the use of available space that can be achieved through efficient layout design. The use of storage equipment such as pallet racks and shelving and regular inventory audit to identify absolute or slowly moving inventory. Overall, effective warehousing and conveying principles are essential to ensure the efficient and safe storage and movement of goods. Following this principle can help reduce costs, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I am Manny Segovia, a Group 4 member, and today I will share the overview of the given task that I was assigned. And my topic is all about belt conveyors. And my report includes the different types of belt conveyors on how they meet the specific needs of different industries and applications, and also what type of belt conveyors needed for that specific area, just to save space or maximize the space. And I will also discuss the components such as the belt, rollers, and pulleys, motor, drive system, the idlers, and frame and control system that made the conveyor work together to provide a reliable and efficient means of transporting materials from one place to another. And I will also discuss the maximum load for belt conveyors. That's all. Thank you.